I'm going to guide you through the process of creating your balance for approximately 4 to 5 months. We'll be focusing on the creation of ERC20 tokens. If you're interested in TRC20, the steps will differ slightly. If you need assistance, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram at CNLCrypto. I recommend starting with an investment of 0.12 ETH, which will yield around 70,000 Flash USDT tokens. However, if that's not feasible for you, you can begin with a minimum investment of 0.05 ETH, which will give you about 30,000 tokens. These tokens can be utilized across various platforms and exchanges. Personally, I use them on several sites. I am on this site rarely. I'm not into that kind of thing. It's my favorite platform. It makes it easy to upload tokens. And you can also trade these tokens on Binance, although I personally don't use that exchange. Let's move on to the crafting process. Go into Remix and create a file. Name it whatever you want. I'll call it usdt.sol. Paste here my code for token crafting. I will leave the link to it in the description. Go into the Solidity compiler and select version 0.6.6 plus, compiling. Once compiled, the contract needs to be deployed. Go to Deploy and Run Transactions, and in the Environment tab, select Connect Wallet. Then connect our wallet. It is most convenient to work with MetaMask, but you can use other wallets, but I do not recommend it, as they may not work correctly. Do not connect centralized wallets. We've connected a wallet. Click on this checkbox and write the name and symbol of our token. In my case, it's Tether and USDT. Then click on the Transact button. In the maximum commission box, round the number to the nearest integer. The first transaction will be the most expensive. It will cost between $10 and $50. After confirming the transaction, we will see our contract. We copy it and paste it into Etherscan. We see that the contract has been created. That's great. Now it's time to replenish our smart contract. We open MetaMask and send our attachments to the received smart contract. I remind you that the minimum possible amount is 0.05 ETH, but I advise you to invest from 0.1 ETH. Wait for transaction confirmation. Go back to the remix. We see that our balance is displayed. Click Start. Specify the maximum commission and confirm the transaction. With this action, we will mine our tokens. The transaction is confirmed, which means that the tokens have been successfully mined. Now we need to withdraw them to our wallet. Click Withdrawal. Write the maximum commission. Confirm the transaction. After confirmation, we wait a couple of minutes and check our wallet. If you have done everything correctly, 70,000 Flash USDT tokens will appear on your wallet. If you have any questions, write to me in Telegram at CNLCrypto. Good luck.